Hello and hi guys, welcome back to Safety Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can create a custom template in Divi Page Builder. To create a custom template, first you need to click on Enable Visual Builder button. Once you successfully logged in, here I will create this section to a template. For this, click on this arrow button. Now it will ask you to add a name. I will add info box. You can make it a global item. I will make it a global item. Next, I will show you how you can use this global item. Just click on this save to library. Now this section is saved in library as a template. You can import it. How you can import it? Just click on this plus button. Click on add from library. Here you can see the info box. Click on it and you have added a template. But one thing to know, this is a global item. Now when you click on and make any changes in it, for example, I will change this name. Now when I will save this post, now click on this plus button and add an info box again. Now you can see this info box automatically change the name. You can also create the whole page as a template. Click on these three dots and then click on this arrow button. Now here you have to add page name. I will add page name as page 1 and click on save to library. After this, go to dashboard, go to pages and click on add new. Now click on use Divi builder button. You can select from build from scratch or choose a pre-made template. I will click on choose a pre-made template. Now click on your saved layouts. Now here you can see you have page 1 layout. Click on it. Now it was importing. Now here you can see the complete page was imported. Just click on publish page. Click on exit visual builder button. And here you can see the complete page was appears like that. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial about templates in Divi Builder. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.